Hey Gareth, how are you, mate?
Yeah, not too bad, bro. How you going?
Yeah, pretty good, pretty good.
Hey, I'm just the other side of Touthuntingnz, but I'm just thinking, I know where Kurito is, but I'm not actually sure where I've been there, but I can't remember how to get there.
Oh, yeah. Do you want me to text you the address?
Yeah, that'll work.
Okay, bro. See you there.
See you in a bit.
See you, bro. Bye.
Will come up, but that's pretty cool to have them.
Oh, it's amazing.
Coming up from being wild within a year.
You baked. Hey dear. Thank you. I really hope the camera's recording.
Anyway, in case you're wondering what's going on, this is Seth and Ivan. I'm out at their place. We're going to go fishing soon, but we're just checking out these awesome deer. Fallow deer, seeker deer, red deer. Alright, so I'm at the river. I'm too excited to speak properly because I fished this river once before. This is Seth. This is his hunting block. I fished this river once before last year. I'll try to remember to leave that video link below. But me and Seth are going to wander. Well, the truck's right here, the river's right there. I can see a fish. I'm going to try to catch that guy, and then we're going to go way up that way into yonder. It gets really cool up there. So I'm excited to be here, excited to fish, and yeah, let's go see if we can get one. So I can see two fish up here. We've already seen two fish. I did spook one, and the other I didn't. I saw it when we first arrived, and then I never really got to fish to it, and sort of disappeared. But I can see two fish here. With a lot of luck I'll catch both of them. With some luck I'll catch one of them. And hopefully it's not the other option, which is none of them. But I'm just going to throw a little parachute. There's lots of cicadas around. I could throw a cicada, but I really want them to eat it, so I'm just going to throw a little parachute fly. It's a tricky situation. Hopefully it does the damage. The other one was up there just in the edge of the shade.
Yeah.
I can't actually see him right now. Yes. So good. Stay away from that other fish.
Do you think the space is helping?
I think so. Really nice conditioned fish. You! We got one. Pumped. We're on the board with a beautiful rainbow. Such really pretty fish, really good condition, and just super healthy. Don't tell your friends. Keep it to yourself. Alright, we're on the board. That other fish did disappear. He disappeared before I even hooked that one, and the one that I hooked swam up through his spot. So I'm not even going to try look for him. I'm just going to rest this, carry on upstream, and hopefully on our way back down he's back out and willing to play. I can see I've just spied one over the other side of the creek here. It's pretty good. Yeah. Another nice rainbow on the dry. Didn't like that.
Nice fish.
Yeah, really nice. You! That's a tank. So good. Super stoked to get that guy on a dry. I didn't even see him till the very last minute. I was about to give up on the pull. He was over there in that shadow. Stoked. Alright, I'll just grab that. Let this fish go in the clear water, get a nice underwater shot.
Probably worth fishing. I'm never going to see in there. There was one in there. I didn't even, there's no way I was going to see in there. Man, this is such a cool river. This is insane. Catching fish from a place like this. Just ridiculous. So good. This is crazy. Look where I just caught this from. Yeah, for this kind of water, this is just silly.
So, super nice rainbow from, I was not expecting that. So good.
You guys can see that fish. He was up in front of me and he's just dropped back down and he's feeding right beside me. He's gone back up into his spot. I wish I had someone here to film this, but he is right high on the bubble line. Really upset. What a fish though. Holy crap. What a fish. This thing is unreal. Holy shit. What a fish. Dry fly there right in the roof of his mouth.
I'm having to use my phone here because my SD card ran out. Hopefully this is in frame, but what an amazing fish. This is one of the coolest fish I've ever caught in my life. From the craziest, smallest mountain stream. Really fat, healthy rainbow. So good. I'm gonna let this guy go. Oh man, I wish I had a cameraman for that. That fish was sitting right high in the water up here. Probably a 5-pound rainbow in amazing water. I'm glad I didn't turn around. I was going to. Seth, he had to leave. And so I was going to leave shortly after that, try to catch him at the gate, but the old fisherman's desire to see what's around the other corner has made me go a little further. But now that I'm this far, and I'm only here not very often, I think I'm going to go just a little further.
Looks like a big fish. Oh, he's coming downstream. He's facing right at me. Maybe you guys can see that. He's just to the right of the rock. Always retie your knots, guys. I'm almost back at the truck, but there's just one spot I wanted to check in case that Mr. Brown Trout decided to come back out and play. I can still see two actually. I'm going to be cheeky and I'm going to take my dropper off. Oh, I can see three. Alright, the world is my oyster. Why is every other pool has had one fish except this one, which has heaps? Alright, so just a little Adam's parachute. Fishes straight across here. It's a cross flow, so it might be a little tricky. Okay, that's a brown up there, so I'm going to go for him. So I haven't caught a brown out of here yet, and he just took off this top. This other rainbow looks bigger, but I may have already caught him. Okay, actually that's another rainbow. God, got that wrong. Stay over here. Oh, there's... Hey, buddy, just stay in here. Stay in here, buddy. Why did I think that was a brown? Man, that's so strong. Dude, just relax. Just scaring my other fish. Touched them with the net and he didn't like it. Yeah, buddy. Oh, what a pretty fish. Man. Look at that thing on the dry. Just about back at the truck. About back, top it off with a real pretty rainbow. See you, bud. Dudes, thank you guys so much for watching. Big thank you to Seth. His Instagram is linked below. If enough of you guys go to his Instagram, give him a follow. He's going to let me come out here and do a hunt during the raw. So if you do me a huge favour, hop on over to his page, which will be linked below, or just search Great Lakes Guiding. Give him a follow. That'll be much appreciated. And he's the guy you want to come and see, especially once these borders open back up and you can come trout fishing or hunting in New Zealand. This is sportsman's paradise, you know, trout and red deer on your doorstep. You can camp out here. It's amazing. Love it. Oh, it's so good. So yeah, that's it from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to sit here, just sort out my gear leisurely because I love being in here. I don't want to leave. Enjoy a beer and contemplate the day gone. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Remember to subscribe. If we can get to 100,000 subscribers inside 2021, I am going to give away a trip for any one of you guys to come fly to New Zealand. I'll pick you up at the airport, 2 days fishing, a couple of nights accommodation, and we'll have a really good time. Anybody in the world, anywhere. So like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that good stuff, and I'll catch all of you in the next one. Peace.